As COVID-19 cases rise, Texas Oncologists advise cancer patients and their loved ones to carefully consider the safest way to navigate holiday gatherings this season. Fox 44's Jessica Rivera spoke to a cancer patient who knows the importance of staying safe even when it's most challenging.
Betty Bickett is a fighter, fighting off cancer twice. Now she's taking all the precautions she can to keep COVID-19 away.
Betty Bickett completed her radiation and chemotherapy recently and got to ring the cancer bell.
I didn't even know what that meant, but I guess that's a traditional thing that you do when you complete radiation treatment. It's I didn't know what, but I rang the bell, and it was like it was almost an emotional feeling that I did it. So, because there were times when I wasn't sure I'd get through all of this.
This isn't her first time battling cancer, but it is her first time battling cancer in the midst of a pandemic.
Conditions were very different then, of course, and because there was no pandemic and there was more freedom, and this time it's a whole different ballgame.
Oncologist Dr. Snedden says there are ways that we can keep loved ones battling cancer safe.
Consider wearing a mask around loved ones or friends that have suppressed immune systems or weakened immune systems where they may be at higher risk of complications from COVID-19.
If you plan to visit cancer loved ones this holiday season, Dr. Snedden recommends some safe alternatives.
If you're going to gather with family and friends, do that outdoors. I know it's harder during this time of year with the colder weather, but we live in Texas, so it's more tolerable, and hopefully people can gather outdoors more frequently this year.
Because having someone to lean on can be a lifesaver when you're taking on cancer.
But with a good support system, family and friends, through their prayers and text messages and cards and so forth, I've made it through all the treatment, and that I'm very happy about.
Later on in the show, we'll tell you how she's been adjusting during this difficult time. In the newsroom, Jessica Rivera, Fox 44 News.